Hi, this is April Fayetta. In this video, I will show you what the point of view, students' point of view of Google Classroom compared to your point of view. Sometimes you want to see what the students are seeing. So this is my Google Classroom. It's my made-up account that I'm just playing around with. It's good to have an account that you can practice on. Now, keep in mind that this is my icon. So this is my account because when I switch accounts to a student's, the icon will change. So stream is everything that you post, your feed, your stream, and Google's Google Classroom for students view stays the same. That entire thing stays the same. I will log into a student's account right now. Happens to be my daughter's. So as long as you have their account information, you can use their account to log in. And remember, it is just like a Gmail account, except they do not have email. Okay, so when students log in, you can completely log and sign out of your account right here, or you can just add another account and log in as them. Um, I just, I don't like to sign out because kind of it's just faster for me to do it like this. So I will log in as Alexis. And this is what it looks like from their screen when they're going to log in at home. My computer's really slow. Actually, sometimes it looks like this. I already have it popped up. And all it's saying, if it does look like that, is that they do not have email. So just go on straight to Google Home. It's not broken. Make sure kids know that when they get here, it's not broken. It just says you do not have email. Okay, so when she logs in, it looks like this. All of her teachers' Google Classroom will appear, even the ones from third grade if their teachers have not archived it yet. So she'll click on your classroom or the one that you want to see. So this is the view that she sees. So as you can see, this is the dog one is her account. You guys are seeing the same exact thing. This one is my account. So students can see this. Now, where it differs is when they go to classwork. This is what the work will look like on a student's end. The gray she turned in and the purple, the dark purple that are still highlighted are the ones she still needs to work on. And she can see if there is a due date or there is no due date. From my experience with Google Classroom, I like to put a due date because if you leave it open, sometimes kids won't get to it. But so I like to leave that due date. It bothers them when it says late, even though I do take late work. I like to give an end date. So for instance, this is a question that her teacher assigned. Her teacher being me. I tend to assign questions, daily questions, right when they log in, and I assign a few videos to watch. So if she clicks on that, she can see all the videos. At school, I sometimes the students were blocked on YouTube, so I tended to put the videos on Google Slides, as you can see right here. Now my question, I leave directions, so watch all the videos, write a brief summary, what's your takeaway, and make sure to turn it in. And when they click on view question, they can type their answer right here. And then they will go ahead and turn it in. If students have a private comment, they will just comment right here below. Okay, so that's what they see if you assign that kind of classwork. Another one is, okay, I'm on my account. Let's go back to her account with the dog. Actually, same thing. They're all pretty much the same, and they just view it. They get their own copy because I always make sure the students get their own copy. And when they do get their own copy, watch to the left-hand side. This is one I did for a history teacher earlier today. When you allow the students to have their own copy of something, it will title it for them, and then it will add their name. So when they turn it into you, it's easier for you to see. So that's what it looks like on a student's end versus a teacher's end. You can try to log in as one of your students so you can see what their point of view is. On the side where it says people, that's where they can reach out and Let's see if it works. Where they can reach out and write a message to a teacher. Actually, they don't have email, so I don't even know why that's there. Let's see what happens if I click on a student's account. Okay. Sometimes when students want to email me, what they do is they make a Google Doc, and her password's so long, I'm not going to turn it in. They make a Google Doc, and then they share it with me, and that's how they get in touch with me with email. Okay, so I hope that helps, that you were able to see a teacher's point of view and a student's point of view. Let me know if you have any questions.